Hey guys, I'm out here. Yeah, it's a fucking ripoff. Now this is all wet. You know something? We're gonna put a fucking rain gutter right here. Yeah, we'll put a rain gutter right here. Yeah, this is all wet. Probably from the so we'll probably put a fucking rain gutter right here. Well, this is wet because of that hole that we found up here. And that's one thing I don't understand. And how the fuck is this platform wet? I mean, like, I see multiple leaks. And, like, in order to figure out why this platform is leaking, we would have to, like, go up in the tower. Because I think in the tower, it needs to be... Oh, gosh. Hopefully I don't accidentally turn the shit off. But, look at this. Throughout the entire thing, this side is completely fine. This side's is doing completely fine. Oh, I just saw a drip. But yeah, this is wet because... Jeez, bro, this is a fucking ripoff. How the fuck is this all wet? How is this all wet? Oh, okay, this is dry. Right here. Okay, I'm standing on the dry part. At least half of this wood is like dry. The rest is all wet. Okay, so I see a leak. Literally, legit. Right here. Right in there. I might need more silicone. It's either that or this just needs to be raised up again. Some more. Dude, why is this all wet? There's no leaks down here. I think this is wet because of that gap. I'm also seeing some drips along here. But I think, because look, I got a whole bunch of wood down there. So I think what I should do with that new wood, you can see I got wood right there. And I got wood right there. So I think what I should do with all the wood is undo the roof and raise it up. Raise it up like a bunch. So if I were to sleep up here while it rains, it would be right there. It would be right there. It would be right there in that spot. That corner is the best so far. We could stop this if I stop that. This, on the other hand, I don't understand. I don't know why this is all wet, but I just came up here to inspect. I'm like the inspector. Like I'm just like inspecting the damage. Is there water in there? There is water in there. Huh. There's water in there. This is leaking big time, probably because it needs to be re-siliconed. Yeah, thank you. Just scoot up these extension cords. So we got a leak right here. We got a leak right here somewhere. I was about to go up in the tower and find out where. This is dry, so this is okay. I think it's because this shingle is just really bad. So there's a leak right here somewhere. Which, when I go up in the tower, I'll inspect. I'll do some investigation. I should just put some towels up here. This is all wet. because of all the leaks that I have. This is wet, obviously, because of all the cracks and stuff in the roof. It seems like there's only 2. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I think I'm seeing like three cracks where the water seems to be escaping. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I don't know why the tower is leaking. I mean, I would probably expect. I mean, it's wide open. Yeah, don't be climbing up in your wet treehouse. Like, it's not a very safe thing to do. Like, your entire treehouse could come collapsing down. I'm not gonna I'm just gonna stick you guys overboard. You can. Oh gosh, I shouldn't be getting my phone wet, but I'm just expecting. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that the rainwater is getting trapped right here and not really going down at an angle. So yet again, the water is also getting trapped down there too. So I could either raise this end up some more or raise that end up. See, it's getting trapped down here. That's a leak right there. So I probably need to loosen that screw. This entire thing's a nightmare. I don't know how to stop it so far. Yeah, this is stupid. I don't know how to stop these leaks. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's just fucking stupid. I don't know what to do. This is retarded. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to raise this roof up so like a whole bunch. And if I'm raising up this roof, that means I'm gonna have to take I'm gonna have to take the metal shingles off and everything. And won't that be the adventure? Okay, so it's dripping right here, and why is that? Okay, so it seems like there is a gap. Okay, I know there's a gap right here. That's probably a leak right there. It overflows and it comes down. This entire thing is screwed. And I ain't playing. This entire thing is screwed. This entire thing is screwed. Oh my gosh. I'm officially pissed. So what I'm gonna have to do next week, for when it rain stops, what I'm gonna do, okay, so today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. So on Sunday is when the rain stops. I'm gonna come out here with all those little bitty 2x4s, and I'm gonna spacing this up. I'm gonna unscrew all this, and I'm gonna build this up even more. Like if this was in here, it would leak like. It's either that, or I should just take this wall down and lower it. Or bend it. I'm pretty sure I could bend it. Oh, it's picking up. The rain's picking up. So, And I need to get some more. Was that a leak? Oh, of course it was. And the rain gutters seem to do no good. So to stop this from fucking leaking, well, I don't fucking know, okay? The video is already 10 minutes, so I'm probably gonna have to stop it right here. Fuck shit. This rain gutter is full of water and it's dripping the opposite way. So this rain gutter needs to be lowered. I'm fucking pissed. Like, I'm very upset. I don't get it. I don't know why this is wet. Okay, the video's too long. I'm gonna have to end it for. I'm gonna turn this off and do a part 2.